Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your first NFT. We're going to start from like zero experience, not having any Ethereum, not having a wallet, not even knowing what these things are, all the way to going to actually minting your first NFT and selling it or listing it on an NFT platform like OpenSea. We're literally going to go from zero all the way to pretty much everything you need. Consider subscribing if you like this stuff because I post stuff like this every single Wednesday, and let's just get right into the video. Okay, so if you want to list an NFT, it could literally be anything. It could be a screenshot of something, it could be a piece of artwork, music, anything. So I'm going to leave that part up to you, and I'm going to explain how to turn your thing into an NFT. First, you're going to start off by purchasing Ethereum. Now, the best way to do this kind of depends on like which country you live in and like the laws and regulations, and specifically like how the banks are reacting to crypto. I know in the US, the most popular place to buy Ethereum is actually on Coinbase, but personally I live in Canada, and the best place to buy Ethereum in Canada is actually something called BitBuy. By the way, you can also use my referral code. It's on the screen right now and also in the description. If you use my referral code, then you and I will both get, I think, $40 if you deposit like, I think, $250 into your account. So it's basically just like free money. Something I would strongly recommend is using an authenticator app to set up two-factor authentication. It's kind of annoying, but with decentralized finance, there's a large responsibility on yourself to like keep your account together. So if someone hacks into your account or you lose your password or something like that, it's way more difficult to actually recover your account. Using an app like Duolingo or Google Authenticator will set up two-factor authentication. So it's way harder for anyone to actually break into your account and steal however much money you have in it. Because it's decentralized finance, there's a lot of personal responsibility on keeping what's yours safe. Okay, so you got your BitBuy account, you got your two-factor authentication set up. Now you actually want to transfer funds from your bank account to your BitBuy account. To do this, you're actually going to e-transfer your account from your bank account. In the app, it actually has instructions on how to e-transfer. It gives you like the address you transfer it to and the password and the security question and everything you need. I would recommend maybe e-transferring like 500 or 600 Canadian dollars into your account, just because there's a lot of fees that you have to pay for, and also there are gas prices when you list your NFT, but I'll get into that later on in the video. So just go into your bank account and then e-transfer your account, and then you might have to wait a little bit of time, but eventually that money will show up in Canadian dollars. Now you can use that money to buy whatever you want. Exciting. What you're going to want to buy is Ethereum though, because we're going to be putting this NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. Lots of buzzwords. It's okay. It'll make sense later on in the video. Okay, so you buy your Ethereum as much as you can with your $500 and $600. Now we need to transfer that money into your wallet, your crypto wallet. There are lots of buzzwords in this video. Okay, now you need to set up your crypto wallet. Basically what it sounds is just a wallet to hold your crypto. I'm going to recommend using MetaMask. MetaMask is basically the most popular for Ethereum. If you want, you can do research and figure out like if there's another wallet that works for you, but personally I'm recommending MetaMask. So you can do one of two things. You can go to the App Store and download the MetaMask app, or you can go onto Chrome and download the MetaMask Chrome extension. Once you download MetaMask, it's going to walk you through the process of setting up your account. I'm not going to walk you through that because you just kind of have to follow the instructions, but it will give you a phrase. You should write down that phrase because you can't forget it, because if you forget it, then you might lose access to your wallet in the future. Just write it down on like a sticky note or something, or somewhere where you won't lose it, and don't share it with anyone, and that's it. All right, so you got your Ethereum, you got your crypto wallet. Now we want to take your Ethereum in BitBuy and transfer it over to your crypto wallet. It's like I'm speaking a different language right now. Okay, so go back into the BitBuy app and click withdraw, and it's going to give you instructions on how to transfer your Ethereum from your BitBuy account to your MetaMask wallet. All right, now we're going to go onto an NFT marketplace. An NFT marketplace is basically what it sounds, is where you buy and sell and trade NFTs. There's a bunch of different ones. There's Nifty Gateway, Foundation, OpenSea, Rarible. Some of them you have to apply for, some of them are invite only. Two NFT marketplaces that are the biggest and open to everyone to join in is Rarible and OpenSea. You can do research yourself on which one you would rather be in, but honestly, they're both pretty similar, and I'm actually going to recommend you list your NFT on OpenSea. Honestly, the only reason I made that decision was just because OpenSea is the largest NFT marketplace, so it's more likely if someone's looking at my NFT, their wallet's already connected. So we're going to head to OpenSea's website and we're going to click Connect Wallet. Once you click Connect Wallet, it's going to give you instructions on how to connect your OpenSea account to your MetaMask wallet, and then you'll be able to create an account on OpenSea itself. You're basically connecting your account to your wallet. To do this, you're gonna have prompts on the OpenSea website as well as the MetaMask extension. So if you feel like you're kind of stuck, just keep an eye on like the extension. Now it's time to mint your NFT. If you don't know what that means, it basically means you're gonna be putting the NFT onto the Ethereum blockchain. It does not mean you're listing it for sale. Yeah, so you can just press the create button and it's actually pretty straightforward. You just fill out all the fields and then you're good to go. Now, once your artwork or music or whatever it is now in NFT on the Ethereum blockchain, now you can list it. So once you go to list your NFT, the process is actually pretty straightforward, but I want to call out a couple of things that might not be as straightforward. So the first thing you have to pick is the type of sale. You can pick fixed price or you can pick timed auction. Fixed price is basically when there's one price to buy this NFT. A timed auction is basically there's a certain amount of time and whoever bids the highest amount gets the NFT. So if you do a fixed price auction, the starting price is going to be in Ethereum, which is ETH. But if you do a timed auction, it's actually going to be in WETH. You can also decide if you want to include a reserve price. The reserve price is basically the minimum amount that someone would have to bid to purchase this NFT. Once you have all of these filled out, just click complete listing. Once you do this, keep an eye on your MetaMask extension because it's going to give you prompts that you're going to have to interact with to complete the transaction. Congrats, you've listed your very first NFT. Exciting. So if you guys have recently listed your first NFT, comment down below or DM me on Instagram and I'll check them out. I'm dedicating my whole channel on teaching creatives how to make money with their art. So if that's something that interests you, then maybe consider subscribing. But if you're on the fence, consider watching my featured video on my YouTube channel because then I kind of go in more, what am I saying? I go more into depth in that video. Okay, see ya.
Let's get scratching.